Hi everyone. Hello. I'm Kaji Shafat and I'm a Power BI data analyst. And if you want to become a data analyst, then this video is the perfect starting point for you. So there are four kinds of dashboard. First one is descriptive dashboard, predictive dashboard, diagnostic dashboard, and prescriptive dashboard. The dashboard today I would like to show you is based on real estate dataset, and which is genuine dataset, and it is very easy to understand. So that's why I choose this one. So let's not talk anymore and dive into the work. So let me show you the dashboard I would like to show you today. Yeah, this is the dashboard we would like to start with, and it is a very simple dashboard actually. So that dashboard here you see is descriptive dashboard, because here we did not use many functions or any kind of prediction or forecasting. This is genuinely the Google sheet we have. We just have summarized it into a report which is very easy to understand. For example, here you can see the Google sheet we have. Just looking at this data set, you cannot understand. But when we look at this report, then we know that how many sale we got, how many list we got, what is the total price, and which agent did the which sale and which listing. Besides, we have categorized our sales, and the time series report you can see that how the sales went on with time. So let's start working on it. So first we need to bring the data into Power BI. So let's click on get data and click on more. We need to connect to Google Sheet. So we're gonna look for the Google Sheet connector. Here we got it. And this is a third-party software, so it was giving you a warning, but it's okay. So just on this Google Sheet URL, we need to copy the URL we got and paste it here. Let's see. But sometimes this connector does not work. This connector has many limitations. So if this connector does not work, in that case, we can use the web connector. So let's wait for a few moments. Let's see. We are hoping there will be a pop-up. Yeah. Sorry, unable to connect. So we're not going to use this connector work for us. We're gonna use this web connector. Here we're gonna paste the link and okay. And so that the Google Sheet work on the web connector, we need to make small changes. That is, click on this file option, then we need to publish this one to web, this share, and publish to web. When we are here, we'll select the entire document and click on this published button. Then the report will be published, and we're gonna need this link. Yeah, this one. Let's select this one and click on this transform button. Transform data will lead you to Power Query, where we would be doing our cleaning, transformation, and if we need any new column or anything that is the preparation that we need to do the further analysis, we're gonna do it in Power Query. So Power Query is very powerful tool, and you need to learn it very well. So let's inspect the data. So here you can see we don't have the column name, but second row we have column. So we need to take this column name to here at the first row, sorry, at the number 0 row. And also we see we have null value, which we don't need. So let's right click on any column, then select this one, and we just gonna untick the null one, then press OK. So then we will have every row for a transaction. In this data set, every row is either a list or a cell. And we need to make this first row as a header. You see, in the home menu transform section, we have a shortcut saying use first row as header. Just click here and yes, you can see the list. Now we got our column name. So now we're gonna inspect one by one column. Let's see the first column. There should be two value, list or cell, but start with capital and one is small word. So we need to change this. So right click here and go to the transform. Here capitalize each word. This means you see 5 distinct value. Now we will have two value. So one of some of the data cleaning is we are doing. So the second one is closing date, rate, address. This address you see here we have all kind of alphabet like the capital and the smallest both. So same thing we're gonna do, transform and capitalize each word. Same thing we're gonna do for the city, transform, capital each word. Capitalize each word, make data organized. And what we're gonna do in this report, we're gonna transform data into a story, so that the user can easily understand what the data is telling, what is data is trying to talk about. So let's go, and here we have agent column, all the employee, the company code, and yeah, the name, those names are right. You can see in the distribution profile. Oh, sometimes you may notice that you don't have this bar chart or this column chart. It is because you need to get this selected from the view tab. When you gonna select this, you will have this data preview facilities which will help you a lot. And also you see here we have some columns where data is unpivoted. So sorry, pivoted. So when data is pivoted like this, and when we need to make report out of it, then we need to change this unpivoted to pivoted column. Like one gonna contain this value and another gonna contain these column names. So let's go ahead and let us do further transaction. Replace value. So what transformation we need to do? So the transformation we're gonna make. Oh, here you can see N and Y, which does not tell anything. What does this mean? But I know N means no and Y means yes. So we're gonna change it to N equal to no. So in this case, let use this replace value option, where find N and replace with no. Okay, and we're gonna do it again, repeat it for Y. We're gonna change it to yes. So replace value, find Y to yes. Perfect. And the last transformation that we need to do is this. We need to make that same transformation, capitalize each word, which will make this column look beautiful. And so the transformation with the fact table is done. Now we need to create two-dimensional table. One for the columns we have here, from this address to zip code. We need to create separate table, what is called also how to make dimensional table from a fact table. We need to convert fact table to dimension table, because that way the report works faster, and also it minimize the data size. So let's make this table duplicate column, for, we cannot use this column as a report. In a report we need to change it in a 2 columns. Let me show you why we need this. Here you can see that we in this bar chart we have categorized each cells by this sales category. So making the unpivoted column to pivot, we got 2 columns. One is range and value. We just need this range column, and we can remove this one, and also rename this to address or location, and we just gonna select the columns we need. Let's give it some time to reload. Let's select the column we need and right click on it and remove other columns. Then we will connect this address location to the fact table. So in this table we don't need these 3 columns anymore. We will just have this address column to make the connection with the location table. So let's remove columns, and we will need another table which will index this range table. Right now for say under 500k this should be the 1, then 500 to 1 million this should be the 2. So let's make another table by duplicating this one, and we will remove all other columns except this range. So remove other columns and rename this column to range, because, and also we need to remove the duplicate. We also need the unique value of the column header, that would be 5 or 6 rows. Remove duplicates. So you see this 6 should be the 7, and so let's add a new column and let's use this column from example. So this one is going to be the 1, 2, 3, 4. We are doing it manually. We can also do it in using code, but as we have only a few rows, so and we're not going to use the codings because coding is going to be difficult. So we would be use the index, and I will cover the M language in another video, as it is a whole new chapter, So today I'm just wanting to the report is very simple, so that you can easily just replicate it. You can just have a sense how Power BI work with a dataset. So yeah, so for now I think we have everything needed. Also we need to remove duplicates from this dimension table. Dimension table cannot contain any duplicate value. It should be, each row should be unique values. Otherwise we cannot make relationship one to many relationship or many to one, and we can also do many to many, but that is very difficult to use. So our data transformation is done, and now we would be looking at the modeling.